How do I make sure I keep my caravan warranty safe? Hi, I'm Jaclyn at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and this is how to keep your caravan warranty safe with your new caravan. As an independent caravan repairer, I work with manufacturers every single day regarding warranty repairs to customers' caravans. Now, if you look after your warranty and you look after your caravan according to the instructions that the manufacturer has given you, it makes it much harder for them to deny your warranty claim. So here's where you really want to listen up. 1. Read your warranty very, very carefully. Make sure you understand what you are covered for and the time frames that you're covered for these items. 2. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. They will have clear instructions on how to use your caravan and how to let them know if there's a problem with your caravan. 3. Routine servicing and maintenance. All brand new caravans will require routine servicing and maintenance. There's usually a first service, usually around the 3-month or the first 1,000 kilometers or after your first shakedown trip. And then at the 12-month mark and every 12 months after there. So think of it similar to a car. It basically works on the same principle. If you aren't doing your routine servicing and maintenance, that will give your manufacturer reason to deny any warranty claim. And the last one, report problems immediately. If you find niggles with your van, and look, they're handmade, caravans are handmade, same as building a house. There's always things that are going to be found after handover. Make notes and inform the dealer immediately of you finding out about them. What this does is that logs the date and the time that you've noticed there's an issue that may become a warranty claim, so that the dealer can then work with you and the manufacturer and actually get these tended to. So thanks guys, we're always here to help our caravanning community. Please like and subscribe to follow along for more tips, and we wish you many happy and safe hours of caravanning.